Welcome to my channel. And this is your first time here, welcome. I have a unit that I bought from Original Queen. It is a Caribbean straight 12-inch bob unit. And I already opened up the unit. Comes in a much like this. They give us some lashes. So instructions how to other things on the back. A wig cap. And towards the wig. It's a 12-inch straight Peruvian wig. This baby here. She has a comb on the left, right. We got a comb in the back. Got a comb in the top. Adjustable straps. There was lace in the back. I already cut it. And this is your lace. So we are going to style her. Tinting spray. Light brown tinting spray on it. First I'm going to put it on. Let's see how she fits my logget. She is big hip friendly. You can wear it however you want. This side. Then you can wear it however you want to wear it. I'm 5'2". She goes right here by my shoulders. So yeah. Let's put some tinting spray on it. Where you put some wax stick. Goodbye. I had it at 370. It's not hot enough for me. You can have it straight, or you can love it however you want it. I haven't decided if I'm going to have it straight. So sorry. I apologize. And you use some of this in the part. Get the style in her, and this is what she looks like. So this is Miss Original Queen 12-inch Peruvian straight wig. Yeah, see my grandma picture back there. She turned 3 years old Sunday. So this is here. Let's comb her out. She almost mimics your old hair. And if I don't glue her down or put some adhesive on it, if you're going somewhere, it's gonna move. But she is glueless. No glue. It's too hot for glue. Well, she's easy to curl. But anyway, I'm gonna let you guys see what she looks like. I don't have a big mirror in the back so I can't see. So this is the end of the video. Let me turn around so you guys can see. Front. This is the back. Because they will clot glue. I just put some lace lip spray just on the top right there, and that's it. You don't want to be clockable. Where's the lace? Where is the lace? Put on the lace. Just did the trick. Now only just put a little bit right here, and that's it. Okay, just did it. When the lace did it. All right, this is the end of the video. I had no issues. I think I had a little snag. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it was the thread from the wig, from them stitching. I don't know. No issues, no smell, no shedding. I had no issues. This is a cute summer wig, ready to go. Nice to have in your collection. Original Queen 12-inch Peruvian straight wig. And let's talk about it in the comments. Till next time, guys, keep watching. I thank you all so much for stopping by and watching my videos. Like, comment, share. Till next time, peace.